Hi all, this is Architect Hari here from Neram Classes. So the first NATA examination has got over just now. As of now, everybody might have known about this, that there were a lot of technical and server issues during the examination, irrespective of whether it's home-based or center-based examination. So we got queries regarding asking whether there will be re-evaluation or re-examination will be conducted for the first NATA. So we thought of answering all these questions in this video. And also there is an useful and exciting information waiting for you in this end of the video, so don't skip anything, watch till the end. So let's get into the video. So finally the examination is over. I know a lot of you guys might be working on this examination for long duration, but due to these technical issues, most of the students weren't able to perform good even though they have known the answer. They weren't able to give their 100%, and you might be frustrated about that. But prior that, we need to appreciate the efforts of Council of Architecture, because this is the first time a national level examination is conducted home-based online. So it's kind of expected and inevitable situation, because whenever you do something for a first time, it won't be 100% successful. There will be flaws and problems, everything will be there. But we need to appreciate the efforts of Council of Architecture. Maybe they will be rectifying this in the next examination. And also it's not fair on students' part, right? Because you might be preparing for this examination for very longer duration, and finally you are not able to give your 100%, not because of your fault, due to technical issues. Definitely it might be frustrating for you, which brings me to the point which I want to convey you today. Many of you guys have a dire question about regarding whether the re-examination will be conducted or not. The possibility of not conducting the examination is 95%. I know it's very hard for you to accept, but I'll tell you why. Because Council has clearly mentioned in the brochure which was released prior to the examination, that if any of the students who are writing the examination in home were not able to attend the examination due to technical issues, they will be given an option of writing it in the second examination, which will be conducted in September 12th. And also you guys must really know, it is not that easy to conduct a national level re-examination if you consider the workload which is there behind it, and this corona situation doesn't make it any easier either. And also there is a slight chance of conducting the re-examination if the number of candidates who are underperformed the examination due to the technical issue is above the norms. As a students, you guys would be able to make any changes if you guys are ready to communicate or message any of the deciding authorities of the council. They might be thinking about it. So we are going to attach the contact details of the deciding authorities in the council. You can try explaining your unfair situation in the examination. They might be decided on the examination, and we are very much sure that there won't be any examination in between NATA 1 and NATA 2, because there is hardly 8 to 9 days, so it's not at all possible. So maybe if there is a re-examination, it will be conducted only after September 12th, and you can expect any good news regarding that if you guys were putting your efforts on this. Moving on, now you guys have to focus on second paper of NATA, which is going to happen in September 12th, regardless of how you did the previous examination. I know many of you guys might be expecting question and answers of the NATA first examination from Neram channel, because we were the one posting the mock test question and answer. So we have 6 variety of NATA question papers which were used to conduct the first NATA examination. We have it with us. You can have access to all those question papers via the link in the video description. Finally, there are many students who are doing self-preparation for this examination. The self-preparation is okay if you want to just pass in the NATA examination, but if you are planning to do better and get into good architectural college, self-preparation will not be sufficient for this examination, because the difficulty level of NATA has been very much increased in the past 3 years. In this case, having a mentor who has experience in this examination for guiding you will definitely boost up your score by 50% than the self-preparation. So if you are planning to join NERAM, we'll be mentoring you throughout the 5-year architecture span, because this is not like any other technical course. This is a professional course. There are certain skills you need to acquire and possess during the 5-year architecture degree, so that you will be landing into a good job once you complete the 5-year course. So in NERAM, there is a new class going to start from Monday, targeting the NATA second examination based on the new syllabus and also based on the question and answer which were asked in the first NATA examination. Students who are planning to get into top architecture colleges of the country can enroll for these classes. There is a link below in this description. Definitely it will be boosting up your score than the self-preparation. So there is a new class which is going to start from Monday. This class will be targeting NATA second examination based on the new syllabus and also based on the question and answers which were asked in the first NATA examination. So students who are planning to get into top architectural institutions of the country, they can definitely enroll for these classes, because this will definitely boost up your scores than the self-preparation. So you guys can enroll for these classes via the link below in the description. So finally, thanks for watching this video. I hope the information provided in this channel are useful for you. If you find the information useful, kindly do subscribe us and click on the bell icon, so that you won't miss out any future updates regarding the NATA exam. So signing off, Architect Hari from NERAM classes. See you guys next time. Bye.